Hi guys, how are you? Well, here we have another video for a Chevy Cruze. In this case, I had to change the water pump seal because, as you can see in this car, I was noticed a leak of water. I was losing the water, so I put it on a plain place, everything dry, and I fill it up with water. I start the car and I see from below a leak coming from this area over here. This is where we have the water pump for the Chevy Cruze. This is Chevy Cruze 2016, but limited edition, but this is also for 2011, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and 16 limited edition. So basically what you have to do if you want to change the water pump or the water pump gasket, in this case I have the gasket here. If you go to Advanced Auto Parts, they have this part over here. They have it for $9 plus tax, gonna be less than $11. This is a gasket for the water pump. So basically what you do, the first step, this is where the this plug in here, this tube in here, is where the air filter goes. There is like a hose in here, and then it continues with the filter. And you have the MAF sensor. This is the plug for the MAF sensor who goes in here. You remove the box, which is attached in here. You remove the box, put it out, remove this tube in here, put it out. As I did already, you have to remove this engine mount here, the right engine mount. I already removed it. So it's pretty simple. Remove this blue ball. For this you will need to remove the this ball, all this ball in here, including you also need to remove the bracket who goes into the engine. You will need a number 15 socket. 15 socket. And let me tell you something, there is something that you will find in Walmart. You can also buy this package. It will cost you like $20. You see, it's called Stanley Black Chrome. And you look for this sign. There's 22 pieces in here. The good thing about this package is that it works in 6 fasteners. You see, it goes in the hex, a star, a square, 12 point, a splint, most rounded. That's perfect. You know why? Because you have this baby here. This is really special. This is like a star screw. It's not a piece of cake. So if you buy this from Stanley, if you buy this, you resolve many problems at the same time. On top of that, it comes with a ratchet and extension. You see, ratchet and extension. You go to Advanced Auto Parts, you will have to pay like $5 to $6 per cube to remove this. And if you notice, you have to remove this one here, which is E12. You will have to remove this one here for the thermostat. This is the thermostat here. You will have to remove it too. This is another side. It's E10, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So let me continue removing and I'll tell you what else you have to do. Okay, so the bracket, so the engine mount is out. Now we have to remove a number 15. We have to remove from the for the engine mount bracket. You will have to remove this screw in here, one over here in the middle, and one over here, number 15. Let's do that. All right, there you go. The socket is out. Not the socket, the bracket is out. It's over here. It has 3 screws. Make sure you keep it in here. Make sure you keep it in here so you don't lose it. Keep it in here. So as you can see down there, there is a lot of water who went out from there. So next step is gonna be to remove this 3 screw in here. That's gonna be E12. This is the pulley for the water pump. So what you do, you remove these 3, and when you remove these 3, you have it loose, then you come over here to the tensioner and put it back so you can easy the belt, and then you can remove these 3 screws and remove the pulley for the water pump. So I already easy these 3 points in here. You see, they are already loose with the belt on. One thing that you can do if you want, of course, you can take a picture on which way the belt goes, so you don't get messed up. You don't know how to put it, what to do. So I'm going to take a picture in here. I already took a picture, and I will proceed to move the pulley. You put it in this way, and then it will easy the belt to dismount in here and to put this pulley out. All right, the belt is out. Let's remove the pulley now. So I already removed the pulley, so you can see how many water the split in there. That's where the water leak comes from. It's that easy, you see that? All right, next step is to remove this plug in here, and remove the screw in here with which is the one for the thermostat. All right, we removed this already, this plug in here, and this now then the next procedure is gonna be remove all this screw in here. There's like 7 or 10 of them. There's one in here, one in here. There's a whole bunch of them, like 3 or like 7 of them. You have to remove that, and then the water pump will break loose. This finished the first part of this video, and part 2 I will put in the description below. You can find how I removed the water pump, put the cover back, and finish the work. Thank you for watching. I look forward for you to watch part number 2. It's gonna be in the description below. Thank you.